Gang, as we work with the unit of energy, the decibel, in the context of a Wi-Fi network, we're going to see that we don't just refer to it generically as a decibel, but instead we refer to dBm, we usually just say decibel, but it's specifically the decibel relative to 1 milliwatt. Remember, we said decibels are always relative to a baseline and describe it logarithmically in terms of power that is greater or less than based upon energy input. And so as we look at decibels relative to the milliwatt, what we see is that, well, same scale applies. It's the same thing generically. It's just we can refer to it in terms of milliwatts, which is how the power company gives us power, to decibels, which is a way to describe the output energy that we're producing using our access point. So if I have something that generates 2 milliwatts, remember that's 3 decibels of energy. That's that 2 to 3 rule that we talked about before. If I have 10 milliwatts, that takes us to 10 decibels, right? -3 decibels, we'd find that at 0.5 milliwatts or half a milliwatt. If I go down to 0.1 milliwatts, that's -10 decibels, all right? So it's logarithmic. That means the farther you go, the faster it gets, right? It's an exponential scale. So 0 to 1 milliwatt, that's our baseline. And then as we multiply out, again, we have things like 3 decibels is actually going to be 1 watt. -20 decibels is 0.01 milliwatt. And we're going to see exactly how we can do the math that allows us to calculate exactly how we get to these numbers, how you can quickly convert from decibels per milliwatt to the milliwatt actual energy that is used to push into that system, again, based upon the laws of 3 and 10.